Hello students, today we will discuss a method of solving the given differential equation of the form capital P into small p capital Q into small q is equal to R. This type of equation can be solved with the help of the Lagrange's auxiliary equation. As you are saying that Lagrange's equations are dx upon coefficient of small p, that is capital P, equal to dy upon capital Q and dz upon capital R. Solution of equation 1 can be obtained by simplifying by selecting any two of the factors from the Lagrange's auxiliary equation. On the basis of P, Q and R, there are four types of ways which are used to solve the given partial differential equation 1. The solution of the equation 1 can be obtained in the form of phi uv is equal to 0 or u is equal to phi v or v is equal to phi u, where u and v are the function of x, y, z is equal to constants. These two constants are obtained on integrating the value obtained from the Lagrange's auxiliary equations. Now we see an example of type 1. If we select a quotient 2p plus 3q is equal to 1. Now compare this equation with the given partial differential equation Pp Qq is equal to R. We obtain capital P is equal to 2, capital Q is equal to 3 and capital R is equal to 1. Now we put these value in the auxiliary equations of Lagrange's. We get dx upon P, dy upon Q, dz upon R. On putting the value of capital PQR, we obtain dx by 2, dy by 3 and dz upon 1. We selected equation 2. Now this equation 2 can be solved by taking first two factors. Now on taking first two factors, we get dx upon 2 is equal to dy 3 dy by 3. Now we can easily integrate the equation as 3 dx is equal to 2y or 3x minus 2y is equal to constant c1, that will be equation 3. Similarly, we can take the last two factors. We get dy by 3 is equal to dz by 1. Now these two factors can also easily integrated as 1 dy by 3 dz. This will be y is equal to 3z or y minus 3z is equal to c2. Now equation 3 and 4 in the combination give the solution of the given differential equation 1, and the solution can be written in the form phi u v is equal to 0, where u is first it can be obtained from the equation 1, that is c1, then 3x minus 2y comma second is y minus 3z will be the solution of the given partial differential equation. Now here we are seeing that it is a simple question, or we can say this is a type 1 question which can easily be solved by the Lagrange's method, because here the value of P, Q and R were so simple and there was a simple integration which provides the solution of the given partial differential equation 1. Now if the value of capital P, Q, R are somewhat typical, or we cannot separate the value of x and x, y, z, and we cannot do freely integrate the value of x, y, z, then we will apply the next method to solve the given partial differential equation. Now we take a second problems. P minus 2q is equal to 3x square sin y plus 2x. Now compare this equation with the standard equation PP plus QQ is equal to R. We get capital P is equal to 1, capital Q is equal to minus 2, and capital R is equal to 3x square sin y plus 2x. Now we will set Lagrange's auxiliary equation dx upon p, dy upon q, and dz upon r. On putting the value, dx upon p is equal to 1, dy upon minus 2, and dz is equal to 3x square sin y plus 2x. From the Lagrange's auxiliary equation, we can easily see that if we take first two factors, dx upon 1 is equal to dy upon minus 2, then there will be a solution. But if we select 1/3 or 2/3 factor, then we cannot integrate it properly. So we use the result obtained in the first two integration, and we will use it in the first and third factors integration. Okay. Now we take the first two factors, that is dx upon 1 is equal to dy upon minus 2, which are simplified by minus 2 dx is equal to 1 dy, and by this we will obtain minus 2x minus y is equal to c1. That is equation 2. Now on selecting first and third factor, now taking first and third factor, we get dx upon 1 is equal to dz upon 3x square sin y plus 2x. Here it is easy to select dx upon 1 rather than dy upon minus 2. Now on simplifying this, we can see that the solution of first two factors is minus 2x minus y is equal to c1. It can also be written as 2x plus y is equal to c1 star, which is also a constant. This y plus 2x can be substituted in this equation to find the solution of the given differential equation. This can be obtained 3x square sin c1 is equal to 1 dz. Here this will be dx. So then will be x cube sin C1 is equal to Z. Now it can be written as Z minus x cube sine C1 is equal to C2, which is the solution of the last two factors. Now the solution of the given partial differential equation can be written as phi 2x plus y is equal to z minus x cube sine C1. Here we have seen if there is change in the value of p, q and r, then we have changed the method of solving the differential equation. Similarly, in type third and 4, there is also a possible difficulty which occurred in solving the partial differential equation. This difficulty can be removed by some other ways, which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.